Hey, welcome back to my channel. And you are watching Star Hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, attractions, and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, facilities, and evening guest section. Category 4. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen the guest can be required to present photo ID and check-in. The location of the hotel is attractive in case you want to enjoy the surroundings and amenities of the salon. You can and enjoy your stay. You can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, below the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already